What's good, guys? So I'm back with another video to help you guys with your mental health. And yeah, this video is about meditation and how you can use it to help you like calm your anxiety or help you like anytime you're feeling stressed or you're in a bad mood. Yeah, so before I speak about meditation, I think it's very important that I speak about this because it will help you so much. So we all have this like voice in our head, and it's called your inner critic. And what it does is that constantly like makes you believe stories that isn't even true, and it creates like a fake reality. There's different ways that your inner critic fucks with you. So the first way is like it makes you like worry about the future. It makes you like imagine yourself in situations that it's never ever gonna happen. The other way that it messes with you is like it constantly makes you like compare yourself to others, and it makes you like never feel good enough, even if you improve or get better. The other way is that like it limits you, so like it makes you believe that like you can't do something, or you can only do like you can only achieve something under certain conditions, or it just holds you back and like makes you feel like only certain people can achieve something and you can't do it because like they're special. You know what I mean? It constantly makes you like criticize yourself and judge your actions. You know what I mean? So the next time you feel like anxiety or anxious, what I want you to do is just simply observe like what is it that's making you feel anxious? What's causing you to feel like anxiety? Likely it's that inner voice in your head. So it's making you either worry about the future or worry about what could happen tomorrow, or like what could happen if you go to this place, or it could make you like constantly judge yourself. I've posted like a few videos on my TikTok and Instagram. I'm speaking about your inner critic, so yeah, go check it out. So yeah, we all have that voice in our head. It's never gonna go away. So it's not about getting rid of your inner critic, but it's more about just being aware of it and not letting it bother you too much. It's time to talk about meditation. So how meditation will help you is it will help you like silence that voice in your head. So it won't really fuck with your like daily living, and it won't really like mess with you too much. So best way to meditate, in my opinion, and the easiest way to meditate is just focusing your mind on one thing. It could be just sitting down, closing your eyes and focusing on the sound of your breath, or it could be focusing on like a particular sound. So you could close your eyes and like you could play like a few of your favorite music. Yeah, you could play like a few of your favorite tunes and just listening to the sounds of the music, and like each time you catch yourself getting distracted by any kind of thoughts about worrying about the future or like thinking about the past, you just come back to the sound of the music, or you come back to the sound of your breath. I would recommend, if you're a beginner, just start by meditating for just 5 minutes a day. You can meditate in the morning before you go to bed, anytime. Just find a quiet place that you won't get disturbed by anybody, and just picking one thing. So it could be your breath, it could be like the sound of music or anything, and just focus on that thing for 5 minutes. Catch yourself anytime you get distracted by any kind of thoughts, and yeah, just coming back to whatever it is you're focusing on. And just do that for just 5 minutes a day. You can increase that to 10 minutes a day, or 15 minutes a day, and then eventually you could do like maybe 20 minutes a day. When you catch that inner critic fucking with your head, just simply come back to the different sounds around you, and come back to whatever it is you're doing, and keep doing that. And over time, you'll notice a big improvement in your mental health and your happiness. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will continue to, keep posting more videos like this, so don't worry. If you enjoyed it, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what questions you have for me. I'll be more than happy to reply. And yeah, subscribe for more content like this.